For Wall Street Media, I'm Mike, I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
No, you look spiffy, my friend.
I always look spiffy.
Yeah, welcome change. Little time in Connecticut do you good.
Yeah, that's true.
What do you say?
What's going on in the market today?
Next up, 6,000. The market is crashing, okay? The clown that is the president that you fools voted for is ruining America as fast as he can, along with the clowns that run the Congress. And the Dow's at 7220, where it hasn't been in approximately 11 years. I don't know the last time it was at 6,500, but it's coming soon to a town near you. I bought TZA and BGZ this morning. That's a small cap 3 times short and a large cap 3 times short.
Nice.
And
so
I'm a
your
long
expectations
guy.
definitely are it's going downhill.
Oh yeah, this is the end of things.
Because right now I think it's at the lowest point for many, many years, right?
11 years.
Okay.
But I'm a long guy. I like stories of good products or good managements or good deals, right? Mm-hmm. But I just can't do it in this environment. It's just everything is going to be so bad. You and I were chatting earlier, and when I come in to the office, I walk in the morning, and every day I see another place that's closing or closing soon or has closed already. The only growth business I know of in New York are the guys that make the fancy balloons that they're now put in the empty store so it doesn't look so bleak. It's horrible out there. I'm short Best Buy, which I got from Howard Lindzen at StockTwits.
Okay.
And I added to that today because I think people are so scared, Mike, I think they're holding on to their money.
Don't you think that now that Circuit City is closing, Best Buy should do a little better?
I don't. I would think normally, in a regular environment, I think they would, Mike. Absolutely, and that's what gave me a little pause, right? But I think that people are holding on to their money so carefully, and every day, you know, it's another 50,000 people laid off here, another 50,000, you know, there. Now they're saying unemployment's going to hit 9% this year. I think it's going to hit much higher than that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
My only long plays are in China. CHL, which China is the future, right? The U.S. is crumbling right now as we speak, and it's done. But China is the future, and CHL is China Mobile, and people are adding phones there like mad. They have like a $30 or $40 billion war chest of cash, so to get them through any slow times, and they're growing like crazy.
Okay. So you're not long oil anymore?
I sold it at a nice, tidy profit.
Yeah.
I also sold Citi and Bank of America at wonderful profits. I sold Citi on Friday and Bank of America this morning, 24% in one day. Can't do that every day of the week. Wish I could.
That was a little risky, right? Didn't some people say, like, over the weekend it might be nationalized?
Absolutely. And I think they're probably going to end up doing it with Citi at least, right? But I wanted to get in and play. And I was in and out and made a nice, tidy profits on both of them.
Good.
I had somebody on StockTwits today tell me they were looking at NLY, but they seem to be in the mortgage business, and that was a little too risky for me.
You think mortgage is still going to slump?
Yeah, I don't think anyone's going to loan any money, and I think real estate's going to continue to fall. I don't think real estate's anywhere near as low as it's going to get. I think this is like the first stage of going off the cliff.
Okay.
And we're only at an 11-year low for the Dow.
Great.
Raising taxes has never helped anything ever, except socialists and bums that don't work, right?
So far, he didn't announce any tax raises, right?
Oh, it's coming. It's all coming, believe me. All these trillions of dollars, they're going to be paid for by the people who get up and go to work.
Okay. I just thought they'll get the money through just printing money, basically.
No, they're going to be printing money. That would be another growth business if you were the guys that sold the ink or something to them, because they're going to be printing trillions of dollars out of the blue. Guys, short with TZA, short with BGZ, short BBY. I'm long China with CHL. Bought some FXI. That's like their 25 index, their 25 biggest companies, and those are up. I don't have any great long stories for you. I'm shorting.
So you said the S&P 500 are going to...
I saw somebody this morning say 600. It's at 753 right now.
Well, that would mean pretty much the same as the Dow going to 6,000, right?
Oh, yeah. They're both going to crash. You can't take money from people that work and take incentive away from people to invest or take risk then they'll hold on to their money, or they won't work as much, or they won't innovate, or they won't start new companies, right? And then those people won't be hired.
Right.
I mean, it's like so simple. You could talk to a child, but they don't care because they know that too. Nancy Pelosi and Obama and Biden, all the rest of the mindless enemies of America, they know that. It's not a mystery. Like, they're not arguing that. They're just trying to ruin things so that they can grab power.
Do you have a time frame on that? What do you think?
I don't know, pal. I think we're not there yet, right? But it keeps getting worse and worse, and I think it's going to spiral.
Right. Well, it only took like 2 months, right?
Yeah.
And the last 2 months were really terrible. So maybe it's just the next 2 months that will be the deciding factor.
I'm watching minute by minute and jumping in and trading. I'm not really much of an investor these days. I'm actually more of a trader. You know, I've got safe money I put into China, and that's the only place that I'm long is China and Asia. And the other things, I'm just trying to trade and short, you know. I saw some guys made money today double shorting the euro.
Okay.
Right? They think the euro is going to do badly. They think Germany's going to get crushed and be the only good place where the people are working and really take a beating for it, having to support all the other countries.
Well, that's why we have just one currency. Isn't that just great?
Yeah, that was not good.
We didn't think so when we actually accepted the euro.
You guys would have been a lot better off, man, on your own.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, you know what? Watch StockTwits, and I am a trader at the moment. I'm not an investor.
Okay. Well, that's all we have right now.
Yep.
We're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us directly at wsmco.com. Thanks.